Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamers unboxing of the Foton Pearled Candle. So I'm gonna open it up and check this out. I probably should do that away from me. Alright. Alright. So, Foton candles are a little different. It's like pearls. Ooh. Like, oh, those are tiny. Looks like they got us red, maroon, and baby pink. Those are some really tiny pearls. Wow. So this is a gift set. Scented. Alright, so we got tropical flowers, sweetheart. Oh, it's a sweetheart gift set. Alright, so let's see what we got. I got a card, a business card too, with some QR codes. Alright, so let's look inside. Okay, Foton can turn any container into a unique decoration. Refill your old candle jars, so that's pretty cool, because yeah, a lot of times you get these candle jars and just gotta recycle them because there's really not much else you can do. These are plant-based and vegan, endlessly customizable, and they self-extinguish for safety, so that's really good. Alright, so let's try to open this up gently without breaking this. And almost there. Ta-da! Alright. This is very scented. It kind of smells like soap. Alright, so these are some wicks. So we can ignite our imagination. So let's... Okay. There's a lot of them in there, and they're... oh, a couple inches long. So... Lazy Lulu? That's what this thing says in there. So, I'm not sure. Oh man, there's a lot of these things. These tape. More tape. And there's one on this side too. Alright. So yeah, I thought like when they say poop! There's a lot of pearls on my table. Okay. There's that. So this is. I thought that everything would be in these boxes. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna have to find a container. This is just a lot of pearls. I have a lot of them on my table. All right. So before I can. And it'd be cool, yeah, because you get these white pearls as a base, and then you can colorize them with these other ones for accent colors and stuff. But yeah, I thought these would be in a bag or something. So be careful. That's why this was all these seals, is so you wouldn't do what I do and unbox it onto your table. So yeah, all right. So now I gotta find a container, because I don't think it's a good idea to put a wick in a cardboard box and set it on fire. So I'm gonna have to look for a glass container so I can review this, unless I have something else in here, which that looks pretty darn empty. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to. That's a lot of beads, pearls, whatever. They just all... These things are so tiny. I thought like they'd be bigger pearls. Like I think like the... I don't know. The website made them look bigger. But okay. So I will have to rummage through and find a container Then I will pour these things into said container very carefully and start a wick. Maybe a maybe add some of these accent colors and write a review. These are messy. All right. Okay, so yeah, so that's on my pants, but yeah, all right, there we go. Foton candles. Careful when you open these things up. So stay tuned for our review. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, and will teach you how to properly open this container. Thank you for watching. God bless.